Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make applesauce. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 3 pounds of your favorite variety of apples, a 1/3 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We'll start by rinsing and peeling our apples. Then we'll core and chop our apples and juice a lemon. Then we'll mix together our chopped apples, 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of our lemon juice, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon in a large pot, and bring it to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, we'll reduce heat to medium-low, cover our pot with a lid, and allow our apple mixture to cook until the apples have softened, about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll remove the lid from our pot and allow our apple mixture to simmer for an additional 5 minutes to reduce our liquid. I prefer a chunky applesauce, so I'm going to use a potato masher to mash my apples to my desired consistency. But if you prefer a smoother applesauce, you can use an immersion or heat-safe blender to blend your apple mixture to your desired consistency. We can serve our applesauce warm or chilled, or use it in another recipe. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.